Welcome to the great University of Johannesburg, and in particular to the Faculty of Engineering and the Built Environment, which we affectionately call FEBE. FEBE is the largest engineering and built environment faculty in South Africa on engineering and around the area of built environment. We are very glad that you have decided to join us, and we really want to welcome the new students and also those who are returning to the university. The University of Johannesburg has a vision of being an international university of choice, anchored in Africa and the Global South, and dynamically shaping a sustainable future. When you join UJ, when you join FEBE, the Faculty of Engineering and the Built Environment, you will realize that we really live up to this vision and up to our values. The university has 4 values. The values are integrity, innovation, impact, and inclusivity. We expect each and every one of our members at FEBE to follow these and to adopt these values. In terms of impact, FEBE, the Faculty of Engineering and the Built Environment, is involved in many projects that shows impact to the communities where we are, societal impact, and also research impact. You will know when you join the University of Johannesburg about our interests in Gwakwani. This is a small village in the Vembe district, and the work that we are doing there. You'll also know about projects that we are doing at the University of Johannesburg, such as getting water from thin air, and also other projects such as building RDP houses using 3D printing. In terms of inclusivity, we welcome everyone at the University of Johannesburg, everyone who shares our values, everyone who shares the desire for hard work, and everyone who really wants to do well. The University of Johannesburg is known as a leading university in terms of the 4th Industrial Revolution, and in particular around the area of artificial intelligence. The university is doing research using AI in speech, AI in medical applications, AI in environmental applications. When you join UJ, you will learn about this, and we hope that you will also become part of the teams that are doing research in those spaces. There is no UJ without you, and your presence here is a blessing to all of us and to the whole of South Africa and to the world.